World, it's Carl here from Carl's Mods and Class, and today you join me at Top 555 at the Supercar Driver breakfast meet, the last one of the year, I believe. There's many supercars here today, so I'll show you around and you'll see what's what. 675 LT.
You are quite right.
Porsche AMG GT, Aston Martin Vantage Roadster, Aston Martin DBS, Porsche GT4, 911, McLaren, TVR Scars, Porsche DT3, another Aston Martin, Maserati, Gran Turismo, love the blue one there, Bentley Continental, row upon row Ferrari and Porsche, AMG GTS with GT3, classic Ferrari, GTR, Cayman, John Cooper, and there's one car I have a particular soft spot for and always have. I'm about to show you it now. Again, so. Sorry. This, the Twisted Series 1 Land Rover Defender. It's based on Land Rover Defender 90. Obviously it's had uprated suspension. They've uprated the ECU, that's what Twisted do. Done a bit of cosmetic work at the front here, LED lighting, different grille. What else? Got full interior, carpet interior. This is what I love about Defenders as well. You can see all the pot rivets. I love this on Defenders and all that business. Well, these are all spot welds, but they're the rivets. Comes with tinted glass as well. And it's made in my favourite county, Yorkshire. Another favourite car of mine is the AMG GTS. Lovely leather and the black wheels on this. Looks super aggressive. So here goes. 3-car garage, ideal garage for me. Daily. Twisted Defender Series 1 over there. Grand Tourer, the AMG GTS. I think it's got to be the Jaguar Project set.
Oh, absolutely, yeah. So you know where our office is, do you now? Yeah, you were there. Yeah, we can fit that.
Harks back to all Jaguar's heritage. You got the hump from the D-Type.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah, no, we can do that. No worries. I'll drop you a message.
Various other things. And plus, you get exclusivity with this one. There's only 250 of them in the world.